Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about JSON. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So JSON is used to send data from the server to web page. So this is one lightweight data interchange format and it is language independent, mean it does not depend on any particular language, and it is self-describing because we have the key and values, they are self-describing. Like an example, we can create one JSON. So we have the name inside the double quotation and then the name itself like John. So here, so we have the key as name and the value is the actual name. So let's now talk about few of the syntax rule. So in JSON we use the key value pair. So like an example, we're gonna create one JSON object. So first of all we need to use the curly braces. So because this is one object, so whole of JSON will go inside the curly braces, and inside that we use the key value pairs. Like an example, we can have the name and then after the colon we have the name like John, and data is separated by comma, so we're gonna use one comma, and then we'll have the age of that person. So the age can be 20. So this way we can have multiple data inside one JSON object. So curly braces are used to hold object in JSON, and we use square bracket to hold arrays. Like an example, we can have one array of hobbies. So we're gonna have one array of hobbies. So here we'll use one square bracket, and inside that we can have multiple hobbies like reading, painting. So this is one array of hobbies. So curly braces are used for object and square brackets are used to have arrays in JSON. So let's now see how we can convert one JSON text to one JavaScript object. Suppose we have one JSON text. So this is one JSON text. Now we can convert that to one JSON object. So for this we have to use the parse method. Like an example, we're gonna create one object, then we have to use the JSON.parse method, and inside that we have to pass the JSON text. And then if we just console log the object, so you can see that JSON text has been converted to one JSON object by using the parse method. So this is the way we can create any JSON object by using the key value pairs, and multiple data will be separated by comma. Objects are created using the curly braces, arrays are created by using the square brackets, and then we can convert any JSON text to any JSON object by using the parse method. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.